Welcome to SD24 News English. In today's video with Yusra Parveen, we are talking about one of the most iconic fighter jets in modern military history, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. This aircraft has been a staple of air forces around the world for over 4 decades, known for its versatility, agility, and battle-proven capabilities. Let's take a closer look. The F-16 was initially developed by General Dynamics in the 1970s as part of the U.S. Air Force's Lightweight Fighter program. Its primary mission was to serve as a high-performance, multi-role aircraft that could perform in both air-to-air combat and air-to-ground attack missions. First introduced in 1978, the F-16 quickly gained a reputation for its agility and superior dogfighting capabilities. One of the standout features of the F-16 is its sleek, lightweight design that allows for high maneuverability. The aircraft is powered by a single engine and features a frameless bubble canopy, providing the pilot with exceptional visibility. Its fly-by-wire control system gives pilots unparalleled handling, especially during high-speed maneuvers. Another key design feature is the F-16's blended wing body design, which improves lift, reduces drag, and enhances fuel efficiency. The aircraft's aerodynamics and design make it one of the most agile fighters in the sky, earning it the nickname Viper among pilots. The F-16 is truly a multi-role fighter. It can carry a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM, air-to-surface missiles, laser-guided bombs, and even nuclear weapons. Its speed, agility, and radar systems allow it to engage in dogfights, intercept enemy aircraft, and perform precision bombing missions with a top speed of over Mach 2. 1,500 miles per hour, the F-16 can quickly reach combat zones, making it a crucial asset in both offensive and defensive operations. More than 4,600 F-16s have been produced, and the jet has been exported to over 25 nations. Countries like Israel, Turkey, South Korea, and many NATO members have relied on the F-16 for decades. Its combat-proven record stretches across numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, Iraq, Afghanistan, and more recently in Syria. The aircraft's reliability and versatility have made it a trusted tool for many air forces globally, and it continues to play a significant role in military operations today. Even though the F-16 has been around for more than 40 years, it continues to evolve. Modern variants, such as the F-16V, are equipped with advanced avionics, upgraded radar systems, and more powerful engines. These upgrades ensure that the F-16 remains competitive against modern threats, even in an era dominated by stealth fighters like the F-35. To wrap it up, the F-16 Fighting Falcon stands as one of the most successful and adaptable fighter jets in military history. Its balance of speed, agility, and firepower, along with constant upgrades, ensures that it will remain a vital asset for air forces worldwide for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SD24 News English for more content on military technology and defense updates. See you in the next video.